Hello everybody, here's an interesting exercise for you. It's maybe not for all, but this can make you start seeing things differently and is a little bit of fun. So the exercise today is all about negative space. I'm going to explain it by using this still life here. I've set it up partly because it's easier to explain visually and partly because then I get to know the drawing. And no, I haven't drawn on the walls, it's on tape, so that's fine, I can take it away. Yours doesn't have to be set up, you can just find any area in your room, in your home that looks interesting and draw it. Just keep drawing to the edges of your paper. You can also kind of do one drawing, move different viewpoint, do another drawing. So I have 10 items in this setup and I'm not going to draw any of them. So the focus today is the space in between. Now to do that, I'm going to have to change seats because I can't draw to show you without seeing it. So just a sec. This is because of where the video is. And because of that as well, my viewpoint from where I'm sitting is different from the view on the screen. So I'm going to draw the screen so you can see exactly the shapes. I'm using a line drawing because I like doing line drawings. You could use whatever you like. You could even collage the shapes in between. You could use different coloured pens for each negative space and build up an abstract or painting or drawing. So I'm going to use a pen because it's easier to see on the screen as well. So I will just start with this top one. Let's go for that one. So that's the top. Yeah, there we go, that's easy, like that one. So we're going to come down and just do this bit, and that goes a little funny little wiry thing coming up and down, and then we go way over there, I think, more or less. It doesn't really matter if you get it exactly right. One thing is, no one's going to know, unless you tell them, so that's fine. And apart from that, it's all about making shapes. So this is the top shape, which I think's more or less that. I don't think I've got this, but hey, I don't mind. So then we're going down to the next one, which is maybe this. So we'll go to there, and we'll go all the way up to maybe there. Kind of. It doesn't really have to be right. So I've already done this mistake, but hey, that doesn't matter. Go down. Let's do that little wiggly thing there. Go to there. And that. Hold on a sec. Oh, I'm going to run out of space, but that's... you don't have to do the whole thing. You can just do what comes in. So I'm doing the minion because I like minions. And there we go, kind of-ish. And put that out there. So this one I quite like. So that goes into there. So you can see I'm not getting the whole shape, but I'm getting a bit of it. And it doesn't really matter. So, but we're doing these spaces in between. So let's do more of this minion and go down and do the plant again. Another bit into the plant and a bit of a boot along there, and so we've got that. And so you can see these little spaces coming up from where the minion is. Let's see what's another good one. Let's do this one. We have a tiny little triangle a little bit in there, I think, between the plate. But I'm going to do this one. So let's go to there. And it's probably around about that. Maybe that. And over to there. So that's quite a nice space. We can do another one. Let's do that. That goes to there again, but then it comes up. And we go round to the flower pot. And along, and then we've got a really nice coaster, Maple and Sister, and along to the end of the table, and that's my frame. So there's loads more in there. Let's have a look. We've got that wiggly wire. Let's just do that space because I quite like it. It's kind of that. So it's not easy to switch your brain from seeing things, seeing the object, to seeing the shape surrounding it. You may get it straight away, you may not. It took me quite a while when I was first introduced to it, but once it clicks, you'll be able to see it everywhere, and then the whole world has a different view to it. So I'm just going to do a little bit more. Let's have that shape. We've got a little bit there. But the image is coming up, even though we haven't, I mean, okay, this space is wrong. It doesn't really matter. I think sometimes drawing, it's more about what you're doing rather than how it looks at the end. It's making you see differently. And it focuses you in a completely different way. Let's do that, and then back up to there, and I'll leave it at that. Okay, so that's, as you can see, there are strange shapes, but you can see the image of the lamp coming in. You can see a bit of the minion. You wouldn't know what this is, but it's interesting. But these shapes are quite fascinating, I think. I like them. So they can be different colours, they can be anything. So that is my exercise for today. Stay safe, keep creating, enjoy it, I hope. Bye for now.